Look how beautiful, how big that hillside is there. I had made a video coming in and coming down the hill. Sorry about that, trying to clean the phone. I've been painting a fence, a wooden fence, with a electric sprayer that's airless. Works really good. Got a lot done, but I wanted to. Some of my favorite parts of my hometown, county, whatever you want to call it. There's nothing. I mean, if I was just, I don't know, be not paying attention, or in the winter time when you're coming down through here. One time, me and my buddy was riding. We were in high school, and he picked up his girlfriend and was supposed to have her back. She lived with her older brother, so definitely was a high tension or high caliber situation, whatever you want to call it. Because as we were talking about this place and how beautiful it is, and whenever the snow starts to melt, it's just beautiful down here. Like in the summer, all the trees, the foliage, or however you say that, you don't see nothing. I mean, you can see into the woods a little bit, but when it's winter time, of course, I'm driving down the road. If I wasn't working, I'd stop, pull over, and just soak it in for a minute. I don't got much left. I'm running, take my kid a Happy Meal, and there's a cool pond. Grab me some from the house and come back out to finish it. It won't take 20% of the next bucket of paint, but and I'm like 20 minutes from Tompkinsville. I'm in the Vernon community. It's like